Connect two lines, fill maximum water. Sounds simple? Brute force is O(n) squared and will time out. But there's one greedy observation that solves it in O(n). Move the shorter line. That's it. Let's prove why it works. Here's the problem. You have an array of heights, each representing a vertical line. Choose any two lines to form a container. The water it can hold equals the minimum of the two heights times the distance between them. You cannot tilt the container. Find the maximum area. Example. Heights are 1, 8, 6, 2, 5, 4, 8, 3, 7. The best pair is index 1 with height 8 and index 8 with height 7. Area equals min of 8 and 7 times the distance 7. That's 49. Notice, the shorter line determines the container height. That's the key insight for the optimal approach. Brute force tries every pair. O(n) squared. With n up to 10 to the power 5, that's 10 to the power 10 operations. Time limit exceeded. We need something smarter. 2 pointers. Here's the intuition. Start with left at 0, right at the end. Maximum width. Calculate the area, min of two heights times the width. Now the key question, which pointer do you move? Move the shorter line. Why? The shorter line is a bottleneck. Moving the taller line only decreases width while the height is still bounded by the shorter line. Area can never increase by moving the taller line. But moving the shorter line might find a taller line, which could increase the area. Let's dry run. Left 0 height 1, right 8 height 7. Area is 1 times 8 equals 8. Move left, 1 is shorter. Left 1 height 8, right 8 height 7. Area is 7 times 7 equals 49. Move right, 7 is shorter. Left 1 height 8, right 7 height 3. Area is 3 times 6 equals 18. Move right. Keep going until left meets right. The maximum area found is 49. Correct. Here's the code. Simple and clean. Left starts at 0, right at the last index. Track max water. In each iteration, compute width and the limiting height. Update max water if the current area is larger. Move the pointer pointing to the shorter line. That's it. Under 15 lines. Elegant and optimal. Let's prove correctness. At each step, the width decreases by 1. If you move the taller line, the min height is still bounded by the shorter line. Width decreased, height can't increase. Area can only decrease. Safe to skip those pairs. If you move the shorter line, you might find a taller replacement. The new min could be bigger, making up for the lost width. We never skip a pair that could have been the answer. The greedy choice is provably optimal. Time is O(n). 1 pass, both pointers converge toward the middle. At most 10 steps. Space is O(1). Just a few integer variables. This is optimal. You can't solve it faster than O(n), since you need to look at every height at least once. Remember, start from the widest container, move the shorter line. The greedy logic, the shorter line is the bottleneck, so try to improve it. Important, don't confuse this with trapping rainwater. They're different problems. Container with most water picks 2 lines. Trapping rainwater calculates water trap at every single index. If this made sense, like and subscribe to Aksdevite. Next video, trapping rainwater, which is harder but equally beautiful. Until then, happy coding!